Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll write a JavaScript program that implements the merge sort algorithm using recursion. Merge sort is a divide and conquer algorithm that splits an array into halves and then merges them back in order. It is a powerful and efficient way to sort data. Let's start by understanding the problem. Our task is to sort a given array using the merge sort technique. We'll split the array into halves until we reach arrays with one element. Then, we merge these sorted arrays back together. Let's see how we can implement this in JavaScript. We extend the array prototype with a function named mergeSort. If the array has one or fewer elements, it is already sorted. Otherwise, we split the array in half and sort both halves recursively. Finally, we merge the two sorted halves together using the merge function. Merge sort works by splitting the array into smaller parts. Once we reach single element arrays, we start merging them back together in order. The merging process keeps everything sorted as we combine the arrays. Let's analyze an example to see it in action. Let's walk through the example step by step. We start by splitting the array into halves. Each half is then split again until we have single element arrays. Then we merge these arrays step by step until we get the fully sorted result. Merge sort is a fundamental algorithm in computer science. It is efficient for large datasets and is a classic example of divide and conquer. It is also used in interviews to test recursion and algorithm skills. Let's finish with a quick summary. We built a recursive function that sorts an array using the merge sort algorithm. This is an efficient and stable sort that's great for large or complex datasets. It is a powerful example of divide and conquer in action. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.